I now give the floor to the representative of Pakistan.
Thank you, Madam President. I thank the President of the International Residual Mechanism for Criminal Tribunals, Judge Santana, and the prosecutor of the mechanism, Mr. Bremets, for their valuable briefings. We also welcome the participation of the representatives of Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Rwanda, and Croatia in today's meeting. Madam President, Pakistan acknowledges the vital role played by the mechanism in preserving judicial continuity, upholding accountability, and facilitating access to legal records and archives from the International Criminal Tribunals for the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda. We note Security Council Resolution 2740, which extended the mandate of the mechanism for a period of 2 years until 30th June 2026, reaffirming the Council's commitment to an efficient and structured conclusion of its responsibilities. The resolution recognizes the importance of the mechanism completing its work in a timely, transparent, and cooperative manner. The latest reports by the President and the prosecutor offer valuable insights into workforce planning, institutional downsizing, and proposed scenarios for the eventual transfer of the remaining responsibilities. These are important for ensuring that the mechanism's drawdown is carried out responsibly and with due regard to legacy functions. Madam President, the reports also highlight progress in key areas such as supervision of sentences, provision of assistance to national jurisdictions, and the safeguarding and digitization of archives. These efforts speak to the professionalism and institutional commitment of the mechanism's leadership and staff. Pakistan values the importance of transparency and cost efficiency. We support continued 6-monthly reporting on the mechanism, which keeps the Council informed of the evolving workload, staffing levels, and exit planning benchmarks. While the mechanism's mandate is limited and transitional, its contributions to the international criminal justice system remain significant, building on the historic work of the ICTY and ICTR in the clarification and further development of international criminal law. Pakistan calls for the continued cooperation of member states, particularly in facilitating enforcement, supporting national prosecutions, and upholding the integrity of legal records. Over the years, 4 Pakistani nationals served as judges on the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, and 1 served as a member of the appeals panel of the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda. Madam President, Pakistan reaffirms its commitment to multilateralism, the rule of law, promotion of justice, and ensuring accountability for the most serious international crimes. There must be no impunity for atrocities committed in any context or under any pretext. The work of the 2 tribunals is also groundbreaking in that it can relate to future accountability efforts, particularly in situations of prolonged illegal occupation, involving brutal suppression of people's right to self-determination and perpetration of mass atrocities. The legal templates, the political precedents, the jurisdictional models, documentation, and evidence gathering, together with victims' participation, are all important and relevant aspects which manifest that international justice is viable with necessary political will, credible documentation, and concerted international attention and advocacy. Pakistan will continue to engage constructively with the Council and other stakeholders to ensure that the work of the mechanism is concluded in a responsible, structured, and sustainable transition. Thank you.
I thank the representative of Pakistan for the statement.